Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to make Alexa speak quicker or slower on your Echo device. To do this, open the Alexa app on your phone. Then tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on All Devices from the top right side of the screen. Select your Echo device from the list. In my case, it's Echo Dot. Now tap on the wheel icon on the top right side of the screen. Scroll up. Then tap on Alexa's voice. Now under speaking rate, move the dial left or right to change how slow or fast you would like Alexa to speak. A simple way to make Alexa speak quicker or slower on your Echo device. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.